Here we have a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE rear entry handicap wheelchair conversion van. It is a manual rear entry. 99,000 miles. We took this van in trade. It was part of a fleet. It was used as part of a fleet to shuttle seniors. I will go over it. We're selling this van as is. It just came in. This is exactly the way we're selling it. We specialize in full-size vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans. So this one came in trade. It's not our specialty, but we are going to sell it as is, just the way it came in. It's pretty clean, runs good. Cold air, clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, clean title. Nice black 2019 model. Tires are good. Body and paint's nice. It's got a few little door dings around it and a couple little minor scratches. Got a few bug chips here on the front bumper. But overall, it's a pretty nice and clean truck. Black interior, black outside. Again, it's a manual rear entry. Does have the side captain chairs. I will show you how everything works here. Pretty nice clean van. It's running right now. See, there's no warning lights on, no codes. Temperature's good. It's right at 99,000 miles. Cold air, dual air, everything's working the way it's supposed to. Pretty clean. Runs and drives good. It's got power windows. Good tires, no rust. This van came out of California. It is a manual rear entry handicap conversion. Very easy to use. Drop the lift down, the ramp, and you're in. Got a few little cosmetics here and there, but overall pretty nice van. A couple little stains there on the interior. But this thing's ready to go. If you need to use it, it's ready to go. Rear entry, pretty clean. Don't hesitate to give us a call, 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. It's got all your tie downs in there for the wheelchair. Super easy to use. Locks right in with these locking handles and you're done. Simple, easy, never get stranded. It's a great setup, it's good on gas. Again, this was part of a fleet. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns. Super nice on the outside. There's not a whole lot to point out other than what I did. We try to accurately describe each and every vehicle that we buy and sell. Like I said, aside from a few little door dings around, there's a couple little scratches on the roof, but nothing crazy. Nice, clean looking van, drives good. Visit us, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Boca Raton, Florida. Been in business 46 years. We take all types of trade-ins. Don't hesitate to give us a call anytime. Happy to help. We can ship anywhere in the world. 2019 Dodge Caravan SE. We will price this thing to sell, so don't hesitate to call us anytime. Selling this as is, just the way it came in. 954-561-2499. Give us a call if you have any questions. You can text us to that number. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help. Thank you.